Nĩ mbica cia CCTV ikionania uria muiritu uyu arahanyuka kuya indo atathigineire studio-inĩ imwe ya uhuri wa mbica mwena wa Meru. Gĩkĩ arĩ kimwe gĩa ciĩko iria ikoretwo igĩtũngio arĩa marutaga wĩra wa mbica mwena uyu. Ũndũ ũrĩa ũcũngĩrĩirie marũrũngane makĩenda kĩhoto.
Over the few months, several studios, including photography and video studios, have fallen victim to very worrying trade. Thieves pretending to be a genuine client are walking into our studios claiming they need services. In reality, they are studying our spaces, identifying our equipment and later returning with duplicate and master keys. Their main target have been our cameras and equipment that are only not expensive but also backbone of our work.
Maugete ti hindi ciĩko ici irakĩrĩria makoretwo makiumwo toro nĩ tũrĩa nĩme tũtũ kuma mwaka wa 2021 no gũtirĩ wĩigana kũnyitwo.
Photographer hapa Makutano tumekuwa na shida mingi sana, kila time ni kuibiwa. Kama mimi studio yangu ilivunjwa 2022 nikikumbuka vizuri, mwezi wa 3 tukaenda tukaandikisha, tukatoka na polisi kama 2 3 pale, tukapanda studio pale, tukaenda wakachukua fingerprint, wakatuambia sasa wataangalia maneno yetu. Sasa kwenda kuuliza hii kesi yetu imefika wapi, wakatuambia bado investigation inafanywa. Hadi wa leo hakuna kitu tushaiambiwa. No justice. Na tumechoka.
Muingĩ nĩ ũrĩtio ũhũre riboti cia arĩa moetwo nĩ mĩkwa ya CCTV. Onjoria ya makĩũria maabitha borithi rita rĩrĩ mehĩke kĩhoto kĩoneke gũtarĩ na mĩhĩnga.
All those cases which have been reported, they have an IO, investigating officers. Now we want to fast track from there, and we are taking up the matter at our level. Hiyo IO awe na mimi na the OCS na DCIO tujue amefikisha wapi na tufuatilie hiyo kesi kwa ukaribu.
Creative community therefore we are calling for Meru Police Service to act urgently and arrest the criminals.
The IO anadili dali issues kama huyu jamaa anasema aliitishwa 1000. Si unajua mwenye alikuitisha na huko na OB. Why can't you bring that person in confidence na tuchukua hatua? In confidence ni sawa. No, tunasema hiyo officer aliitisha hiyo ngiri moja. Sawa.
Ngiri 4 TV jitagwo Jenga. Boy.